Hello student, today we are going to start our new topic from the class 11 physics, that is vector. See what we have, we say vector, it is that quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. These are those quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. For example, we have torque that is equal to R cross F, then we have angular momentum that is R cross P. These are vector quantity which has magnitude as well as direction. Then we have the scalar quantity. We say that these are those quantity which has magnitude but no direction. Example, we can say speed, we can say work, and so on and so forth. Then we have then we go for triangle law of vector addition. How two vectors are getting added up. Let us suppose we have vector A, let us suppose we have vector B, then resultant vector is like this. This is R and this is equivalent to A plus B. This is called triangle law of vector addition. How we can define it out? Triangle law of vector addition. See, we see that if two vectors are represented by two adjacent side of a triangle, then if two vectors are represented by two adjacent side of triangle taken in same order, then the resultant vector is equal to closing side of vector taken in opposite order. Now we'll go for triangle law of vector analytical treatment. Analytical treatment of triangle law of vector. See, we have like two vectors, they are represented by two adjacent sides of a triangle. We have this as resultant vector. See, what we'll do is that, let us suppose angle vector A and B make with itself is, this is theta. So component of vector B along the x-axis will be B cos theta, and along the y-axis it will be B sin theta. So we see that the resultant using Pythagoras theorem, what do we get? AB square, that is hypotenuse, will be equivalent to BC square plus AC square. See what we have got. BC is equal to what? This length whole vector A plus B cos theta whole square, and AC is what? B sin theta whole square. So what we have? We have A square, this is vector B square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square sin square theta. So when we add this together, see what we get. This is vector A, this is vector B, this is what? Vector AB cos theta. This is AB is what? The resultant vector. So what we have? This is R square. So R will be equal to what? We will take the root of this. This is vector A, this is vector B, this is vector 2AB cos theta. We will go for the special cases. See, when we have theta is equivalent to 0 degree, the resultant will be A plus B. When theta is 90 degree, the resultant will be equivalent to A square plus B square, and when theta is 180 degree, the resultant is A minus B vector. Now we will go for